All right, so let me just kind of walk you through, give you an idea of exactly why I decided to get long here at this particular level. Yesterday was the biggest red day since like late 2022, if I'm not wrong, or early 2023. And of course, because that is such a rarity, well, I don't expect that every single day. So, and therefore, I bid every single level of support, right? And of course, a day like yesterday, we did break down through multiple level of support, and therefore, I lost yesterday. Not It's part of trading. Anybody who says that they don't take losses, they're lying to you, all right? And again, it's all about a matter of keeping those losses to a level where they are in line with your risk to reward. I like yesterday, I think I was down around 700, but my average days are $1,000 plus, right? And like, look at this right now. I'm already up 250 on this particular trade. There was pretty much nothing fancy about this trade. I had like there was numbers that came out, GDP numbers, but really all I did see was that we had this nice bounce from this 50 level, which is a level of support. We got that rally above 74. So I think now ultimately, if we get above that 74, we will rally and backtest that 90 level. But besides that, what I'm trying to say is that this is exactly what I keep on referring to when I say that this is the greatest game of ping pong. Well, because it pretty much even kind of looks like it. Like, look at it. It's like, it's unbelievable. But the idea is a simple one. We got that bounce from 50, so 50 held. And we got that drop, instantly popped right back above 60. Of course, I marketed in, so my field was not the greatest. So that's why I got filled at 63. I was trying to get filled at 60, but anyways. So now I'm looking for a push minimum right back up to that 74, 54, 74, which is about to get hit. I don't know if I might take profit or not. That's why I'm recording this video. But again, one day of selling or one day of, let's assume that you have whatever strategy you got, shouldn't change the way you trade. That is ridiculous. You should never ever change the way you trade. Look at that. We already almost made back what we lost yesterday with one trade, one contract, doing the exact same thing. And what's that? Trading support, selling at resistance, or selling short at resistance and covering at support. Look at that. There we go. Can I cover right now? Can we get a push through that 74? Should I get it filled? Let's see, 500 currently. And if we rally above the 74 quickly, I will hold. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. NQ is still looking like she wants to go higher. Can we go? Can we go? Can we go? I'm going to cover it. Come on, guys. Come on. I know in the stream yesterday might be like, oh my God, look at that guy. He took 4 trades, 4 losses, right? But we just made it. I'm already up 510. Like, I'm only down 200 from yesterday's loss, and the day hasn't even begun. Like, this was just like, it was just too easy not to take it. I should have been long more, but because of a day like yesterday, you want to size down. You want to basically, not get too aggressive. Just because you have one red day doesn't mean you need to put on extra size the next day to make it back. That is completely backwards thinking. So, yeah. Look, today on the stream, I'm having like a euphoria moment. Something that I'm just looking back, thinking back of how when I was new, I used to wonder why things would crack, why things would pump, when to know when what, and when to shift my mentality. And today, it's a perfect example of how far I think I've come as a trader. And very simple. This morning, I knew that this was support. That was the low of the trap. I got long there. I take profit at the first level of resistance, and boy was it resistance. We tested this like 16 times. We were live on the stream talking about this level, how if we cracked this, we were gonna go to the next level of resistance. I had this magical here thing. Well, obviously we didn't get there, but then I did take a long of 50 again, and this is fine. So I took this long. I did get stopped out at the bottom here. You can see that. I was live the whole time. I don't hide any of my trades, but on the stream, what was most important to me, I said, you don't want to short above a support level. You need to wait for price to prove to us that we are weak. And until we break below, I'm not shorting. I'm going to long this 50. If we break below, then I want to be short. So I got stopped there. And instead of being stubborn, instead of thinking long, well, very simple. All I did was wait for price to get down to the next level, whatever it was. It had a bounce, and guess where we got denied at? 49 3/4. Why? Because 50 was support. We broke it down. So we back test where we break down from. And once I got short there, you can see my entry there. I was looking for the move back on down, and that will create the greatest game of Jenga that you will ever witness. And that's the idea I'm trying to preach here. And look at that. It's exactly that. I got short there, one, got denied there, and then I take profit at the next level of support. It's a simple game because the most important part of this game is taking profit at the next level. It is not about, expecting any move to reward you with 100 points. No, I capture like more than 10 points per trade. That is amazing. Amazing. And usually my trades are the beginning of the trend of the real trend. But besides all that, I caught a beautiful long. I caught the beautiful short. Wow. It is unbelievable how good support and resistance is when you learn this game the right way. It keeps the guessing away. It keeps everything of like trying to short in here and long in here. In this chop, there is no direction. It is going sideways. We are chopping. That's resistance. This is support. It's much simpler to view the market in this way. Thank you for watching. I am done with today. It is beautiful. It's a masterclass of support and resistance 101 of what happened today. And just the mere understanding of all that, for me, that's what got me triggered to be just so grateful for studying and keep on going with this journey in terms of developing further knowledge of how the market really worked. Not trying to stick to little trades that only get me 3 to 5 points per move, right? So I've come a long way and I'm just thankful for that. Peace.